Welcome everyone. In today's video, we will learn how to synchronize subtitles with videos in PotPlayer and KMPlayer. Both have almost the same interface. The timings of subtitles are adjusted to sync with the video speech. The subtitles rendering can be normal or default, faster, or slower. Let's see how to sync subtitles with a video in PotPlayer. This is a sample video with 5 seconds slower subtitle sync.
Update 3901. Sensors have detected potential life forms on an uncharted planet, so we're making a detour to investigate.
To sync subtitles, right-click in the PotPlayer. Expand Subtitles. Hover over the Subtitles Sync option. Select one of the desired options.
While the Eric takes core samples, I will explore further the oddities of this.
You can fix the subtitle sync problem with several options. You can increase or decrease with preset values, or you can manually adjust the time. Shortcut keys are the easiest way to sync subtitles.
Unstable. No readout yet if the air is breathable. There seems to be no sign of intelligent life anywhere.
Who are you talking to?
No one.
You were narrating again.
I was not. Just doing the mission log.
You do know no one ever listens to those.
I know that.